Hey there again. First, I'd like to thank you for choosing Juicing for Vitality. You've just made one of the best investments in your own life, and your future will thank you for that. You're now one step closer to feeling revitalized, looking more attractive, and losing weight. Also, I want to personally commend you for committing and taking massive action to take care of yourself, especially when it comes to making transformational changes that will lead to improvements in all areas of your life. I'm certain that you're going to love what you discover in Juicing for Vitality, but your order is not quite complete yet though, so don't leave this page yet, or you'll lose out on your one-time opportunity to actually make this healthy lifestyle a part of your identity. So before you go, here's my special one-time offer. Don't worry, this video presentation is a lot shorter this time. What I'm about to show you will increase your likelihood of leaving your unhealthy habits behind, cementing your lifestyle changes, and becoming the healthiest person you know. People will start asking how you did it. Other areas of your life will improve and new doors will open up because of your newfound energy. It's an amazing offer that will complement your new Juicing for Vitality. Introducing Juicing for Vitality Video Upgrade. Here's some facts for you. 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual, and visuals are processed 60,000 times faster in the brain than text. In addition to that, 40% of people will respond better to visual information than plain text, which means if you're trying to learn something completely new and you want it to stick, it's a good idea to use both video and text. I'm sure you agree that you don't want to leave any chance of regressing back to your unhealthy self. After all, you've already taken a big step today. Plus, watching a recipe is way better than reading about it. It'll get you salivating and rushing to the grocery store. Picture a voice that helps you and guides you through this new journey you're taking. A voice that knows what he's talking about, that can guide you by the hand, step by step, as if he's right beside you. And like juicing, a video upgrade removes the boredom out of it and lets you get the good stuff the lazy way, meaning you get more profound results in less time. Inside this amazing video upgrade, you get 10 premium quality videos of Juicing for Vitality. Get ready to absorb the mind-blowing systems that will show you how to feel good and look the part too. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and push the play button and reap all the benefits. Here's a sneak peek of the topics in this upgrade: Beginner's Guide to Juicing, Juice Cleanses, Going Beyond Juicing, and many more. So how much for this upgrade? Look, I could easily charge you $997 for the above upgrade, considering the amount of time and effort put into creating this fantastic course. However, I'm not going to charge you that much. As mentioned before, I only want those who are truly committed to joining this course, and I know you're one of them, or else you wouldn't be reading this page. So I'm going to give you a really special offer. You don't have to pay $997 to get this video course, not even $97. In this exclusive one-time offer, you get instant access to Juicing for Vitality video upgrade for less than the price of a dinner. And did I also mention you get to try this out with zero risk? That's right, your purchase of this video course is backed by my 100% ironclad guarantee for the next 30 days. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. I'll see that your money is promptly refunded. You have my word on it. And just so you know, this offer is not made available to the public. I intend to keep this golden opportunity limited only to you and others who are committed to transforming their lives. Also, it's my way of saying thanks for choosing me, and I think you deserve to get this almost exclusively. So if you click away or close this page, you won't get to see it again after this. There you have it. Get everything you see on this page for a low one-time investment only. Click on that buy button now to secure your video upgrade today.